I rode my bike down Mount Mary steps a few days ago.
You were like riding down Mount Mary
Steps.
on your bike.
Yeah.
Dude, डर के आगे जीत is just a campaign. It's really.
No, I actually read a book where I learned about having no fear.
We're standing outside a brewery, so I'm gonna ask you a very obvious question. Do you guys drink?
Sometimes.
So, what about
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
No,
come on, you guys don't. You guys are lying now.
I'm not.
Yes.
Occasionally.
What do you mean occasion?
Once in a very blue moon.
How often is that?
15 days.
That's not once in a blue moon, right? Do you guys go out clubbing?
Yes, we do.
You do, right? So when you go out clubbing, do you drink before entering the club?
Pre-game, you mean pre-game?
Pre-game,
Yeah.
All the time?
Oh yeah, all the time.
Sometimes. I mean, not always.
Okay.
If you are in a mood or we are partying, then otherwise we just go in the club and then.
If you go to an expensive place, you don't want to spend like all the
So you want to save one?
Yeah.
We can't afford drinks in the club.
Alright.
We prefer going to Janta or Deepak Wines.
Also, it's like not chill. Like every place is so crowded. It takes 20 minutes to get one drink. Like it's ridiculous.
Yeah, yeah, you do that.
Very often.
So why do you do that?
Because it's cheaper that way.
Precisely, it's cheaper, right?
And you get into momentum faster.
When you guys go out drinking, right? Have you guys encountered any weird people apart from me? So many. So just share any experience which you've had.
This is in a student accommodation in London.
Okay.
So it's like he went to every room, he took a slight piss over there, he took a slight piss over there.
That guy is my god, alright? He's a freaking legend. He did that in London.
I was in Pune this one time and there was this guy who came to me and says, "Hey, you have a driver's license?" I said, "Yeah." He says, "Because you're driving me crazy, you know?" I swear this really happened to me.
Yeah, this guy.
Oh fuck, okay, so what happened?
I got drunk and I climbed these parallel bars at Burley Sea Face and I was trying to do a reverse bridge.
A reverse bridge?
Yeah.
And you know how to do that shit?
No. I got to do sober and I had like a 10 feet impact.
Yeah, so there was something that was really creepy though that happened last week.
Yeah.
I was lying on top, which was a little low, and that guy just touches my back and it's like, "Oh, you wanna come dance with me?" And I was like, "Dude, you're such a creep."
I'm sure that guy was from Delhi. Okay. Any regret which you have after alcohol?
I cannot handle rum. So this is an incident that I landed up somewhere I was not supposed to be in the morning.
Oh.
That was not cool.
So I hope it was a girl's house.
Yeah, it was a girl's house.
So what happened? You just
See, it was her house. That's why we're together since that time.
so you guys are dating?
We're contemplating.
You contemplated. So you ended up at home late. That's not something which you should regret. She's beautiful, right? So
I don't regret that.
why are you saying you regret that?
Sunny?
Sunny?
Man, that's not cool. Huh? Now you're
That is
ganging
so
up on us.
uncool. I'm a very fun drunk, so I fall. And
fall?
so does she. I fall. She falls. Every Monday morning she comes with like bruises on her legs. I have no idea how I got these. It's like, and I'm not kidding you, they're like proper bruises and she does not remember.
You must be like into kickboxing and all, right? Like
Every time after I've had more than 4 glasses, I regret.
so what do you end up doing or saying?
Nothing. I just decide next day I'm not going to drink and then 15 days later I'm back where I started.
And then back in Lali all over again.
I lose my phone every time I'm drunk. Yeah.
You lose your phone.
Lost it and got it back a lot of times.
One thing which you have to say, people who don't drink.
I think I'm missing out on like some things in life.
Yeah, a lot of things.
A lot.
Try it at least.
Yeah.
Check it out. Might be fun.
Keep not drinking, dude. It's awesome.
Why?
Just because it's a good thing. Like, I genuinely want to make a change in my life where I'm like, okay, this is too much.
It's good if you're not drinking, but if you drink, then be responsible and at least go easy on it.
Like there are many more different ways you could enjoy if you're not drinking too.
Yeah.
But if you're drinking, it's cool because like a lot of the night.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend drinking to anyone.
You should. Yeah.
But don't do stupid shit.
Yeah.
Like,
Says the guy who fucking
Yeah.
broke his hand. Okay.
yeah, I learned after.
Actually, my boyfriend dumped me 2 days ago. So, I thought I'd go on Tinder, find a date, and then I take a selfie with him.
Knew it. ये लो
ये क्या?
तुम्हारी घर की चाबी.
How do you have it?
You're so irresponsible ना, तो मैंने duplicate बना दी.